Hello there people, in this video I'm going to teach you how to hide an HDRI background in Blender. I have a scene here with an HDRI background and we are going to hide this background from our render. So if I hit render, you'd realize that we have our HDRI background in our render, which is not what we want. So to fix this, you'd head over to the render properties tab. Notice that we are in the Eevee render engine. So for the Eevee render engine, to hide the HDR background, all you have to do is scroll down, select film. Once you select film, then you select the transparent option. This is going to make your world background transparent, hide the HDRI, and then maintain the HDR lighting. So we are going to select transparent, and you realize that now we have a transparent background without the HDRI image. So now if we are to render this, you realize that we no longer have the HDRI background in our render, which is what we want. So if you want to hide your HDRI background while using Cycles, it's pretty much the same process. All you have to do is head over to the render properties tab and then scroll down again to film. You realize that there's film over here. Select film and then select this transparent option, which is going to hide your HDRI background. And there you have it. So if you render, you'd realize that we have a transparent background, as you can see over here. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and please do subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you.